Today guys, we will make a backpack and I will use this leather black, and for our after when we finish our project, and I used hook number 4, and this is the yarn I'm gonna use it. This is I don't know how to read this because it's Greek. So 150 meter. So we'll start. So we have to put first our yarn here. Okay, and you have to do like this. So we will make a single stitch. So we have to continue our work around. Okay, so we have to continue. So if we are in the corner, guys, we have to make 3. Okay, 1, 2, and another one. Then start. Every corner, guys, you have to make 3 single crochet like this. So the same here in each corner. Okay, so after that, guys, you have to join your work here, then turn back your work and to continue. Okay, so we have to chain 1, then the same, you have to put her on this side, single crochet, single crochet in each stitch. So in every corner, guys, you have to add also. You have to add here. You have to add two. You have to add two. Because in the other side, only one single crochet. Then continue your work. In each corner, you have to add, for the second round, you have to add 2 single crochet in this side, in each corner. So guys, this is our design, the one I made. So I will show you how I make this. So just do like this, your hook, and insert here, this side, and do like this. Okay, the next, like this, 1 2 3, then pull over the loop, then you have to do like this again, then insert in the next here. You're going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, then you have to connect in this side. This is the last one, the last part. So guys, this is it, guys. So the same what I made in the last part, so you just follow how to make it. So I make 12 of this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So here in the beginning, this is single crochet, right? So I just make 7 rounds here, and I use the base one. This is for 48. How much this? 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 1 2 6 7 8 9 10 48 pulls. So I have 48 pulls or holes. Okay, and this is it, guys. I will show you later. So it can be used shoulder bag, sling bag, or backpacks, but I'll show you how to make backpack, because I'm going to make the last part, since I don't have other color, guys. So I'm gonna use the black one, but this one is plain only. Okay, but this one is not plain because there is what we call this, there's a mix.